Hey everybody, this is Mark here at Rainmakers Customs, and today we've got Mr. 541's amplifier in here. We did a repair on. I think we'll go ahead and do a quick step through. Okay, what we did was we went ahead and added him in his variable right here. We set this up with a small input attenuator to go ahead and drop the input carrier down just a little bit. The main thing that was wrong with this was we had 4 bad transistors. We went ahead and replaced those with the Toshibas, which was what was originally in this build to start with. So we got that all set up, taken care of. We went back, retrimmed the board itself right in here, opened up our spacings just a little bit to make sure that there wasn't any kind of issues that could go on from there. Pulled out the sideband biasing and turned this into just a straight Class C. So I figure we'll go ahead and show you a few numbers here real quick and kind of go from there. We're going to start out with our pass-through tune. We have our 5-watt slug in reverse on our input tune. I'll show you the pass-through. Hello, audio check, 1, 2, audio. So we got about 1/10 of a watt on the input reflect going through the box as far as on our transmit. 5-watt slug in reverse for our output tune that you're going to be seeing. We got a 1000-watt slug in 1x position for our peak. And a 500-watt slug in our average position. Okay, so what we're going to do to start with, we're going to show you what our input is. We're going to turn the slug around, show you what our input dead key is going to be at. Get this set at about 3/4 of a watt. Turn the amplifier back on. Remember, 5-watt slug in reverse for our input tune. Hello, audio. Audio. So got 2/10 watt reflect on the input. Our output tune. Hello, audio. So we got about a 1/2 watt reflect on our output. Our input tune, like I said, 1x position. So it's going to be our bottom scale. Hello, audio. So we get about 750. Turn the amplifier the rest of the way up. Hello, audio. So there again, about 750. Our pass through on our RMS. Hello, audio. Audio. So about 325 RMS. So, and we are running our Cobra 29 for our driver. Our input voltage on the amplifier is at 14.6. Hello, audio. So right now we're drawing about 60 amps on this. Alright, so set this back up here, guys. So Mr. 541, Bruse, we'll go back, we'll put your top on here, and this thing will be ready to go, buddy. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Like I said, there'll be more YouTube videos come up here a little later.